Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unpack and review the WROGN 55-liter laptop backpack which I bought from Flipkart. So let's get started. And if you are new to the channel and found this video helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel as it means a lot to us. Here you can see the tag mentioning the MRP and all other manufacturing details. Now let's get to the backpack. The first impression is quite good. Here we can see the branding at the bottom and also at the top of the backpack. And you can also notice the straps and their overall build quality. It also has side and front compression straps which are adjustable, and the quality of the buckles certainly does not feel premium unfortunately. Here in this video, I am trying to cover each and every other detail of the backpack so that you can decide for yourself watching this video if this is what you want or expect out of this backpack. Now let's check out the inner compartments. The space it offers is quite impressive and you certainly won't get any complaints here. It has one extra laptop compartment, but the only thing fishy here is the stitching. You can notice for yourself. What is this? I mean, what is this? Seriously? Never mind, it has two spacious compartments with the zipper and one front compartment which comes with a Velcro. Now for the zipper, the metal's zippers do not have branding on them, and that is okay, but the branding on zippers does give a premium finish according to me, which is missing here in this case. I bought this backpack for rupees 699, which is still a bargain at this price considering all its flaws. And lastly, it has two bottle compartments in the sides, and to sum it up, this backpack is splash-proof but certainly not waterproof as the brand claims. And if you found this video helpful, do give a like and also consider subscribing to our channel. Take care and we will see you in the next one.